So here you are at my 135i n55 motor engine bay. I've taken off the belt, the accessory belt. Um, Obviously this is the crank, no play there. The tensioner pulley doesn't make a noise. Tensioner pulley doesn't make a noise here. One of the other pulleys, deflector pulley, whatever that one is, doesn't make a noise. That deflector pulley down there, either pulley does not make a noise either. No wiggling, no play. No wiggling, no play. No wiggling, no play. No play. My compressor down there, that also does not have any play, but it spins both ways. I'm not sure if that's fine, or power steering pump, I guess. Sorry, it's a compressor, but yeah, it spins both ways. I'm not sure if you should do that, but it doesn't make a noise. My AC compressor spins both ways, doesn't make a noise, doesn't have any play at all. However, my alternator also spins both ways. I've been told that it should only spin one way because of the clutch fan, or the clutch that it has, or something like that. But as you can see, it's spinning freely. Doesn't really make any noise. Wait. So yeah, I'm trying to find this noise, the squealing noise. If you guys can help me out, it'd be much appreciated.